Hi, I'm Kari with Canada Income Tax, and I'm here to talk about EI and how it can affect your taxes and how to avoid some surprises that other people have had in the past. So those that have been on EI probably know what I'm talking about. EI, for some reason, does not take off enough tax, even if you've asked and requested them to. For some reason, I don't know if it's just not clear, but there's been people that maybe put down minimal tax to be taken off, and I've seen things as bad as almost $20,000 with like under $100 of income tax taken off. So at tax time, you end up owing thousands of dollars. I want to help you avoid this. Okay, so if you've already been on EI throughout 2016, then it's too late to do anything about it, but at least you can have some preparation. Now, I put the warning out last year, so hopefully those people that are on EI read my warning. And for those that are on EI coming up on 2017 or now, we'll have this warning in advance, so their 2017 taxes will be okay. What happens is EI, whether you're on mat leave or whether you're just on EI, you've obviously had another job. So you've had another job from, for example, January to June. Your employer probably took off enough taxes if they have a good HR person. Most places do. Then you're on EI from, say, July to December. Unfortunately, unless you specify the max tax, they may not take off any or very, very little. And even if you take off the maximum tax, it might not be enough. So what you have to do is make sure that you check out what tax bracket you're going to be on, because remember, you have your employment income and then the EI goes on top of that. So depending on how much EI you're going to get, so say it's another $20,000, it's on top of your T4. So say you made $50,000 and then you have another $20,000, so you're in a $70,000 dollar bracket. Okay, so then you'd have to make sure that approximately 32%, 35%, depending what year we're talking about and what tax rate it is at that time. That's how much you'd have to make sure was being taken off every paycheck that you get for EI. Okay, otherwise you're ending up owing a lot of money, and I really want people to avoid that. So that's why I post these videos every year. Hopefully it saves some people some grief. If they're not taking off enough tax, put it aside, don't spend it. I know some people say, but I need it, I need that money. Unfortunately, you're going to need it at tax time. So it depends like how you want to do it. Whether you put it aside now and it's just a little bit putting it aside now, or you get a larger tax bill at tax time, depending on your situation. There are some situations that you don't have to worry about it as much. Say single parents might not have to worry as much because you can use a child as an eligible dependent, so it does kind of eat up what you would be owing. So if you have any questions, you can contact me, and I would be happy to help people. And also, new thing that I'm doing this year is virtual appointments. For those that either are really far away from me, there's some people that moved all over Canada, so we can do Skype appointments or Facebook video or WhatsApp, whatever, or FaceTime, whatever your means that is easiest for you. Also, I'm even doing Skype appointments for people that live in my area that don't want to leave the house and drive. Maybe they have children or they just don't want to drive in the snow. No problem. I do virtual appointments. So we do face-to-face on whatever medium we choose, and we do the appointment and complete it. So the only thing you're going to need for those appointments is a printer, so you can sign your form, and then you just have to scan it back to me. How do you scan it back? I have an actual little app on my iPhone. It's called Tiny Scanner. You just take a picture, it turns it into PDF, and then you email it to me. That's all I need. It's super easy. I love technology. It's awesome. So I'm going to put a link so that you can book your own appointment at your convenience. The appointments at the beginning of March are really starting to fill up, so grab whatever appointment you want, and I would love to serve you. It's my passion to get you informed, learn about your situation so that I can inform you for the future. If you're going to book on my schedule and you want a virtual appointment, just write in the description virtual appointment so that I know that you won't be coming to my house and that I'll be expecting a Skype. And just let me know in the description you want a virtual appointment and what means you want to do it, whether it's Skype, WhatsApp, FaceTime, or Facebook. Alright. And I will be back in 1 week today. So I'm in Australia right now, but I'll be back in 1 week, and I'm super pumped to get started with taxing. I've actually already been starting for the last month, helping people from here, because technology is awesome. That's all I'm saying. Alright, have a great day, and I will see everybody next week. Alright, take care.